Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the tongue twister filter on Snapchat. To get the effect, you want to go ahead and click the link in the description below to join me on this website. And you want to wait for the site to load, alright, and then you want to scroll down. You want to make sure you scroll until you can see the snap code right here, and then you want to go ahead and click on that. As you can see, this is the preview of the effect, right? And then you want to go ahead and click on open in Snapchat. Don't click here, just click on open in Snapchat. So you're gonna get this pop-up asking you to unlock for 48 hours. You want to go ahead and click on that. Alright, once you're here, you want to go ahead and tap on your screen once to brighten it, right, like so, and then you want to click here. As you can see, this is the tongue twister effect. Alright guys, this is how to get the tongue twister effect on Snapchat. To support me, please subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button to help more people to find this video. That is how you can support me, okay? Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.